Hi guys, this video is going to help you with the two-step equations where we have some dividing that we have to do before we get started. So I'm going to model two of those types of equations for you, and then I would like for you to do the practice problems associated with this skill. So let's focus, and we'll start with this one. So remember, the first things that we do are identifying what is happening to our variables. So our x is being, it's having 3 taken away from it, and it's being divided by 5. So before we can get to this portion of it, we have to get rid of this divided by 5. And you guys know the opposite of divided by 5 is times 5. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So this times 5 cancels this guy out, leaving x minus 3 on this side. And then over here, I had negative 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then it's a negative times a positive, so that is negative 15. Now I'm left with a one-step equation. This is easy. I have x minus 3. The opposite of that is plus 3. So these cancel, leaving me with x on this side. So now I have negative 15 plus 3. So I'm at negative 15, and I'm going to move 3 towards the right, which means I will be at negative 12. Before I walk away, I have to do my substitution step. So I've got negative 12 minus 3 over 5 equals negative 3. So negative 12 minus 3, I KFC that. Negative 12 plus negative 3 is negative 15. Divided by 5 is negative 3. So that checks out. So I'm good. Okay, now over here, same thing. I've got my variable up in the top of the numerator of this fraction, so I have to get it out of fraction form in order to be able to do anything to it. So 7 is being added to it, and it's being divided by negative 4. So I want to get this out of there. The opposite of divided by negative 4 is times negative 4. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So this cancels, leaving me with j plus 7 equals 4 times negative 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and then that's going to be a negative. All right, now I've got a one-step equation. So I have j plus 7. I want to do the opposite of that to isolate that variable. I'm going to do the opposite on both sides. Now, this is where a lot of us seem to get confused. I have a negative 16, and I'm adding a negative 7 onto it. So negative 16 and negative 7 together are negative 23. So now let's go ahead and substitute that back in. So I have negative 23 plus 7 over negative 4 equals 4. Negative 23 plus 7 is negative 16. Negative 16 divided by negative 4 is positive 4, so that checks. All right, so if you need to pause this and leave this image up on your screen so that you have some good examples of what to do, that would be an okay thing to do. Good luck with these types of problems.